The state government is all set to remove the deemed residential status in the industrial zones, which was incorporated in the Karnataka Town and Country Planning Act in 2004.
We have a provision under section 14A3 of the Town and Country Planning Act, wherein a deemed clause is being given that any land use which is reserved in the master plan as industrial, it can be changed to commercial or residential. If the applicant gives a notice, pay the required fees, and it will be, a deemed clause as per that one.
The official says that they are removing this status due to the intervention of private players into the industrial zones.
So there are, industrial department is acquiring a lot of industrial areas. We reserve it, and if you continue to change it for residential purpose, they may be in a, it may affect the industrial growth. And the entire land, all these lands belongs to, say private people, no. So they feel that they may not be. It may not be. Good for them to carry out industrial activity.
The official says that the clause, which allows industry owning more than 5 hectares of land, can use 25% of their land to build residential complexes for the employees, will remain the same.
Under zonal regulations, wherein if a particular industry is coming up, for its bona fide use, for its workers and employees who are working in that part of the area. So we give certain percentage of land for residential purpose. Whatever is possible for them, we are making a provision. That provision is there already. So that provision, there is absolutely no problem. But
the Town Planning Authority also says that the employees of IT parks will not be affected by this on a large margin.
it is not like that. No, see, we are only removing the 100% conversion, change of land uses within the industrial zone. If you are doing an industry, their residential activities are permitted as a part of the industrial activity only. Quarters and other things which are required for them, there it is already there. That provision is there.
On the other hand, the builders who have plans of building residential complexes in the industrial zones say that this decision will not affect their business. And at the same time, the government believes that this will help to minimize the intervention of private players into the market. This is Paurna Sridhar reporting for CityCast.